In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to make all your photos private on Facebook so only you can see them. First, launch your Facebook app, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, head over to the section Photos. Open any album you want to make private. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Edit Privacy. Change the privacy setting to only me and tap Done to save. This will make your entire album private so no one else can see it. Repeat these steps for each album to make all your uploaded photos private. Next, to hide photos you were tagged in, navigate to the menu page. Click on the gear icon given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the option Profile and Tagging. Under that, find the option that says Who can see post you were tagged in on your profile and set it to only me, then tap Save. After that, find who can add you to audience of tagged post and also set it to only me, then save changes. Once you do this, all your photos and tagged images will be completely private on Facebook. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.